So last question, we went through and proved this. And I'm going to steal it. So our greatest height is going to be 2 meters high. So we know v squared sine squared theta over 2g equals 2 meters. And we're going to somehow sub that in here. Well, I know sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So I've got v squared times 2 sine theta cos theta over g. Okay. Given that the equation we're aiming for doesn't have any sine thetas, cos thetas, whatever, I'm going to rearrange this equation. So for sine theta, so we get sine theta equals the square root of 4g over v squared. So it's 2 root g over v. Theta v 2 root g x. Oh, look, I'm going to call it something else just to remove any confusion. So d equals v squared take 2 root g squared. So it's v squared take 4g. Okay. So sorry. Instead of trying to figure out d, what I needed to figure out was, oh yeah, d. Because now I know cos theta, which is all I really cared about, is v squared take 4g over v. Okay, which means now I know v squared, the horizontal range is v squared times 2 sine theta was 2 root g over v. Cos theta is v squared take 4g over v. This whole lot's over g. Okay. Which means on the top line, my v squared is going to get cancelled out. So I'm going to get 2 times 2 root g times v squared take 4g all over g. Which means it's 4 root g v squared take 4g all over g. But that doesn't look like I wanted. Oh, d squared equals this, so d is the square root of this. Okay. You were probably screaming at me, were you? Good. Okay, so that means I'm just going to get everything under the square root sign. So I've got 16g v squared take 4g all over g squared, which gives me 16 times 16 on g times v squared take 4g. That wasn't too bad.